This video demonstrates how to create a new user in a Cradle database, and introduces Cradle's alerts. A Cradle database has a set of login accounts. Cradle calls these user profiles. Each user profile has a username, a password, and some other details, including a set of privileges that control what the user can do, and which information he or she can access. We will create a simple user profile. In another video, number RC071, we show how to create a set of user profiles in a team structure for a project. Only some users can create user profiles. The super user manager can't create new users. So we log into our database as manager to create the new user. User profiles are created by the User Setup tool, in the Project tab. Select New to create a new user. Enter the username for the new user, and click OK. Usernames can be in any language. Enter a password for the new user into both fields. The password is case sensitive. The red box around the second field will disappear when the field's contents are the same. Select Privileges, to set the privileges for the new user. There are many privileges that can be given to the user. Select Help for an explanation of what they do. One way to add privileges is to choose tasks that the user needs to do from this drop-down list, and select Add to add the privileges needed for that task. Most users will create and delete items in the database, so select this task and click Add. Most users will create and delete cross-references between items, so select this task and click Add. If the user will use the Document Loader tool to capture documents into the database, then select this task and click Add. If the user will import or export information from the database, then select this task and click Add. If the user will publish reports or documents, then select this task and click Add. If the user will start discussions for items in the database, then select this task and click Add. If the project uses Cradle's configuration management system and this user will review items, select this task and click Add. If the project will use the CM system's formal change requests and change tasks, then choose from these tasks and click Add. If the user needs to create his or her own queries, views, forms or other definitions, add this Create Defs privilege. If the user will publish formal documents from the Document Publisher tool, add this Formal Doc privilege. If the user needs to exchange data between Cradle and MS Project, add the Planning privilege. If the user may change the schema, the structure of this database, then add the Privilege Project. When all privileges are set, select OK. Select Apply to save the new user profile, and OK to close the User Setup tool. Return to the Home tab, then select Log Off, so we can log in with the new user profile. Enter the new user's username and password, and select Login. The current username is always shown in the window legend. This also shows how many unread alerts are waiting for the user. Alerts are messages that Cradle sends when events occur in the database. You control which events trigger alerts, and which users receive them. Alerts are sent through Cradle, as here, or email, or both. The default is through Cradle. This can be changed in the schema. To see this user's alerts, select Alerts. There is one alert. It is a message to welcome the new user. Select the alert to view it. The alert changes from unread to read. Select Delete to remove it. Select Close. The window legend confirms that there are now no unread alerts. This completes our demonstration of adding a new user, so we simply select Exit to log off. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it has been helpful. For more information, please visit our website, or contact us using the details on the screen.